Hi everybody, so there's a Churro Truck. I first saw that they would set up like in Visalia Mall and Visalia and in Porterville. I'm like, oh, I wish they would come to Hanford a little more. Then they started setting up on 12th and Hanford on Mona Road, Walmart in Hanford, Lemoore at the depot, I think at West Hills one night. Different places in Hanford. Lemoore, different events, Hanford, Lemoore, and I keep trying to get my friend to go, but she doesn't go. I'm like, oh, I can make one at home. So I have my churros, and I have my Oreo shake from Jack in the Box. I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm getting a spoon, a large spoon. Okay, I'm going to put some churros in my cup. I'll show you after I get done. See, I put some churros in my cup. I'm gonna set you down again. Then I'm going to the whipped cream is on top. Spoon some shake in there with my large spoon. Somebody who really knows me, like, oh, Susanna, would probably know that now that I've been saying large spoon a couple times and spooning the shake where my mind is right now. It's in the gutter. Like in high school, I was all quiet at school, but at home was a different story. I would tell my grandparents all kinds of adult jokes. They would laugh too. I was always making them laugh. Okay, and I put more churros. That's where I'm at so far. I could probably take the lid off of here now. And it'll be easier to spoon. I think Jack in the Box took a long time, and the dasher kept apologizing about the whipped cream on the shakes. But it's fine, it's the restaurant, not him, you know? I mean, what was he supposed to do? Because of the restaurant being like that speed. Actually, there's a DoorDash memes page, and the express thing, it's like, what are they gonna do to drive like faster so they get there 5 minutes earlier? Here's the finished product. I made it at home. Unless we have strawberries. Okay, why is it breathing? It's all bubbling. Oh, maybe the churros are sinking. I'm gonna put you guys down and see if we have strawberries. Do we have strawberries in here? Here's a container of strawberries and grapes. But it's a mixed container. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Here is my homemade churro thing I've been wanting. You know what else I want? And maybe I'll attach it to here with the video thing I have. Video editor. They have churro ice cream sandwiches. They supposedly have them at Save Mart right now. But yeah. Alright, bye!